So we're in the Lowe's outdoor power equipment section, and here's a killer deal right there. $32.22 down from $129. It's a pole saw attachment which converts any attachment capable trimmer into a pole saw. $179.02 down from $199 on this 40-volt brushless skill chainsaw. $219 down from $319 on this Ego multi-head pole saw kit. $206.02 down from $229 on this 10-inch 40-volt Cobalt pole saw kit. $149 down from $169 on this Craftsman 20-volt max pole chainsaw, and that looks like it includes the battery and the charger. $224 down from $249 on this Cobalt 40-volt 14-inch chainsaw kit. $80.92 down from $89.98 on this Craftsman 12-amp corded 3-in-1 blower vac. This door seems to be out, but $143.67 down from $169. Cobalt 40-volt 24-inch hedge trimmer kit. Check your local stores if you're interested in that. $71.92 down from $79.98 on this Craftsman corded string trimmer, or $53.97 down from $59.98 on this smaller 3.5 amp Craftsman string trimmer. $179 down from $249 on this Ego 15-inch string trimmer, and that looks like it includes a battery and a charger. $197.02 down from $219 on this Skill 40-volt blower and trimmer combo. $242 down from $498 on this Craftsman torpedo level. Don't see any of these in stock, so check your local store, but $372 down from $1498 on a Cobalt 2-piece mini plier set. $492 down from $1998 on this Cobalt plier set. That's 5 pieces. $16.47 down from $29.98 on this Flex 10-piece drill bit and driver bit set.